Hello, I'm Ron Davis. I'm the owner of Units Mobile and Portable Storage out of Phoenix, Arizona. This upcoming video is going to show you how to properly load our all-steel containers. Enjoy.
Moving can be a big job, but with some simple tips, you can safely load your unit container and keep your items protected. Suggested supplies include E-straps, moving blankets, boxes, bubble wrap, packing tape, stretch wrap, and dollies for moving heavy items. The most important consideration in loading a unit's container is weight distribution. Each container can hold approximately 8,000 pounds. Start by analyzing all your contents and sorting them by size. Make sure to evenly spread heavy items throughout the container to minimize movement of your goods on either side of your unit's container. Use moving blankets and stretch wrap to protect your furniture and other delicate items. Be sure to use loading straps to secure your items as you load them into the container. Straps can be bought or rented from the locally owned and operated unit's location. Next, load in your lighter items on top and in empty spaces to help build a tiered wall for stability. You can create artificial walls with your mattress and box springs and then use E-straps to hold the items already loaded into place. Try to keep similar items together for protection. Fragile glassware and picture frames should be kept in one area towards the top of the container. When you're finished loading your unit, use a secure lock to protect your items. With Units weather-resistant containers, your items will be safe until you unlock your unit. If you have multiple unit containers, you may want to consider inventorying your items by the unit's container number to make sure that you know what is in each container. If you have any questions throughout your packing process, don't hesitate to call our customer service team. At Units Moving and Portable Storage, the safety of your items is our utmost concern.
I hope you found this video enjoyable. If you have any questions, please feel free to call us at 480-964-5000. And thank you.